Hi there, this video is called Live. Dangerous snowstorm. Woking UK 2021. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Tighten the motor in digital and analog at the moment. It's approximately, well, 9:50 AM in the morning, and it is the 24th of January 2021, guys. So we're talking about very heavy snow around Woking at the moment. Very heavy snow. Morning. This is very dangerous weather to be out and about, driving on the roads. The roads are covered in snow. There's not much traffic. A, it's a Sunday, B, because of the coronavirus lockdown, and there's less traffic as well. It's very dangerous on the foot and cycling at the moment. This is quite a extreme, dangerous snowstorm across Woking town right now. I'm not joking. This is really intense weather, guys. This is extreme as it gets around Woking. We don't often see this around Woking very often. So take care out and about today around Woking town, locally. I did predict this yesterday, and always 85% right by the way across Woking town locally. So enjoy this video, please leave me thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this video, and please enjoy it. Because it's not a day you get snow around to southern England, let alone across the town of Woking locally. This is really quite intense weather to drive in. Really dangerous. Thanks for watching, please leave me thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. It's a heavy snowstorm day. Thanks for watching. Bye.